back to my page. This is Lilly and I'm here at Fineone Group. Fineone Group. So wonderful to be back. I managed to take a day off today so I could come here. This is the last of the meeting for the group for the year, and then next year they will be seeing each other again. So I'm so happy that I was here just to be part of it, and I'm just going to go around taking some videos of me letting them say Merry Christmas. Yes. Here they are at this moment. They're receiving Christmas presents from each other. So they're all getting beautiful gifts. And here these wonderful ladies that have been in the kitchen all this time. Wonderful ladies, Betty, Kitty.
For goodness sakes, Leslie.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you for all the work that you guys do here.
You're most welcome.
Thank you. I'm just getting you on my video. There you go, Kaz. How are you?
Lily.
Nice to see you too, Kaz. Oh, good. We're going to say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Oh, yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody.
To all your families, everyone.
All the cousins, all the family.
Oh, wonderful.
Love you all.
Oh, good. That's nice. Hi, Maurice. Your turn to say Merry Christmas to everyone. You have a Christmas message?
Monuina Christmasi. The best message I can give you is that Jesus is the reason for the season, and have a great time with family. God bless.
Thank you. Now I'll just go and ask anybody else have something to share. Lorna, would you like to share something about this Christmas? To say, oh, okay. Lisa, would you like to say something about this Christmas?
Hi, Merry Christmas to everyone. Have a very good year. Very good Christmas this year. We'll see everyone next year, hopefully. Everyone welcome to come and join us next year. We look forward to having you all on board.
And where is it? Say the place.
We're at the OBC Otara Baptist Church in Otara, Ferguson Road. So come on down, everyone is welcome. Every Thursday, 10 till 2.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Kaz. It's good to see you.
It's a great privilege and honour to be here. I was only supposed to stay here through the duration of my sister's sister's funeral. So I think I've sort of overlooked my stay. Bless Fineone Plus. It's such an amazing group. I wish you all the best, safe travel. Be safe with your family. Spend it well, don't get drunk. And family orientated. It's an honour being here. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. I love you guys all.
Thank you, Kaz. Where are you going to? Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Oh. She is actually. She lives in Sydney.
Yeah, I live in Sydney, but
This is George Jackson's daughter.
I've been here for maybe a month or two.
Your mum is...
My mum is Mokasa Lil Jackson. My dad is George William Jackson.
Thank you, Kaz. Long as I find you here, on. Yeah. Right. Now they're giving out Christmas presents for each and everyone. Yay! Say hello.
Hello, kia ora.
Ai, còn ngon là chụp tới.
Makarapatu. Malalona kaya koe. Monui me ki mati mo ta popia.
Cô hay là không?
Wow, ko i ona e ko pipenya mang ko tuapa.
Cô hay một tuần hay.
Tomatua ako ko wini mo wawao. Mau ke tangatani hapu ko wiki ni a ringoa.
Kwa leo ke hau hawe group e.
Mai ka hau o se. Patoko o ni ne ma.
Pakawe.